Hey class, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamma ghani to all of you. Welcome to today's class, and as you all know, today we are starting the topic statistics, and this is the first session for the statistics. So in this part, we'll be learning about collection of data, how different data are arranged, all those things we are going to talk in this session. Got it? So let us start the class without wasting any more time, and do like the video if you love the content over here. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you are new here, because every day we are coming up with new classes. Okay, so moving ahead, let me tell you about the Vedantu's Pro subscription course. So whatever problem you are facing earlier, you will not face at Vedantu, because the first thing, your doubts will be solved by a dedicated teacher in the class. In each and every class which you will take, notes and assignments will be provided to you after each and every session. Tests will be taken in a regular interval of time. Competitive examinations like NTSE, KVPY, Olympiad, no need to worry about it. You can always get everything under one roof, that is at Vedantu. Schedule, that is, suppose if you miss your class because of some reason, no need to worry about it. Your class will be recorded and you can watch that recording of the class whenever you want, whenever you have time, so that before the next class you will have the whole knowledge of what was covered in the previous class, and it will not affect your upcoming classes. So that is a very good feature which you will not get anywhere else. And choice of language, that is Hindi or English. Other than that, the bonuses are you will get unlimited live classes. You can attend as many live classes as you want. There is no limit on that. All micro courses and crash courses will be available to you. Micro courses are your chapter specific courses. For example, you want to revise, suppose we are studying statistics now, and you want to revise the topic quadrilaterals. Now in your school, if you are at school or anywhere else, you need to wait for the teacher to finish the syllabus and then the revision part. But here at Vedantu, suppose if you want to revise quadrilateral or you are facing some difficulty, you want to go through the quadrilateral topic one more time, just take the micro course of the topic quadrilateral and your problem will be sorted. So this gives you an advantage to design your own curriculum. You can study the chapter in whatever order you want. Other than that, you will be getting the crash courses, that is your revision courses before examination. Whatever course revision courses we are going to launch, that will be free of cost to you. Performance report and personalized attention. To register for Vedantu's Pro subscription course, the link is given in the description box, as well as it is the pinned comment in the comment section. Just click on that link and apply the coupon code GPEPRO to get 20% discount, flat 20% discount. I'll tell you more about the fee structure, but let's start the class. So first thing, why do we need statistics for? So see, statistics is a way to tell us, the statistics will be the way to arrange the data in a more systematic manner. For example, let me give you an example. Okay, let me give you an example. One data is given to you like this, that there are say 100 students in a class, and the marks obtained by the students roll number wise. Okay, I have told you कि चलो roll number I am writing here and their marks I am writing here. Marks are out of 100. Okay, so roll number 1 has got 58 marks, roll number 2 has got 98 marks, roll number 3 has got 67 marks, roll number 4 has got 50 marks, roll number 5 has got 30 marks, roll number 6 has got 90 marks. And this way, if I keep giving you the data up to roll number 100, okay, so this data is going to be very long, and to understand that how many students have got how many marks is going to be a bit difficult for you all to understand. Is going to be a bit difficult for you all to understand. If I ask you by looking at this data, say, okay, beta, tell me how many students have got more than 90%. So looking at the 100 student marks and then saying which one has got more than 90 will be more difficult. But if I shift it to a tabular form, that is, if I say ki marks, how many students have got marks from 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, then 20 to 30, then 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 80 to 90, and 90 to 100. And suppose if I tell you, okay sir, 10 students got this, 15 5 students got this, 7 students got 20 to 30 marks. Okay, let's say 8 students got this many marks, say 10 students got these many marks, 25 students got this much marks. Like this, if I give you this data in this form, so it will be easy for you to understand that okay, 25 students are here which are in the marks range of 50 to 60 marks. So we need to focus on these many students are not working hard, so we need to focus on the marks of these students as well. All these data will be easier to understand. So statistics is used to represent the data. Statistics is used to represent the data, and that too, that data in a more systematic manner. Okay, so this is the statistics, the science which deals with the collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. You collect the data, present that in different form. Some forms are pictorial forms, pie charts, bar graph, some are tabular form, in that form. Got it? In singular form, statistics is taken as a subject. In plural form, statistics means data. Okay? It is a subject for you, like for mathematics is a branch of mathematics, and statistics generally means data. Okay, give me the stats of it. Give me the stats. Give me the stats means what? Give me the data about it. Got it? You must have heard this part. Okay. Now, what is a data? We are talking a lot about data. Data in a simple form, if I tell you, is information. What is data? Data is information. So facts or figures that are numerical or otherwise collected with a definite purpose and provide valuable information for interpretation and analysis are called data. Some information which can be used for some specific purpose, that all thing will be called data. So most of the available data is the raw data. So this example I have given to you over here. This is your raw data. When I will be collecting any data, whenever we collect the data, that is, we always get that data in the raw form. Okay, that data we always get in the raw form. That data can be arranged systematically in order to draw meaningful inferences. For example, here I have made this table. So this raw data I have arranged in this tabular form so that I can see, okay, how many students are going to get good marks, for how many students we need to work hard, how many students needs extra classes, all that we can get from here. Okay, data collected directly from the source through observation or conversation or participation is called primary data. When you are collecting the data from the sources, for example, you want to find out the number of trees in your school. So the student who will be collecting that data, so that student is getting the primary data and the data will be in the raw form. Okay, the data gathered from a source where it already exists is called secondary data. Now once I have got this raw data, that student has given that data, the data collected for the number of trees and which trees are present in school building. If that data, suppose the student submits to the principal, so now the principal has got the secondary data. The difference between the highest and lowest value in the given data is called the range of the data. That means, for example, if we talk about the marks of any student, okay, so the highest marks in the class is 100, the lowest marks is 25. So the range of this data will be 100 minus 25, that is 75. That is called the range of the data. So range of any data means highest value or highest frequency minus lowest value or lowest frequency. Got it? This will be your range of any data. Now presentation of data. So the study dealing with presentation, analysis and interpretation of data is known as statistics. The collected data may be presented in the form of tabular or diagrammatic or graphic form. You can either make it in the table, you either make it on a graph, you can either make in a diagram form. The table is systematic arrangement of classified data in rows and columns. Okay. When the number of observation in an experiment is large, the number of times a value occurs in the given data is tabulated, which is called frequency of that value. For example, that suppose we have taken the samples of blood for a whole city. Now the blood group which we have taken is O, A, B and AB. Right? Now suppose the city is of 1000 people. So we will get different values. Suppose O the group blood category O, blood category A, blood category B, blood category AB. Suppose out of those 1000 people, 250 got O blood group, 400 got A blood group, okay, and let us say 4, 5, 6, 650, say 150 got B, so 150 plus 250, 50 plus 50, 100, 200, 300, okay, 400, 400 and 200 got AB. So this is how you have got the data. Now that, see, the one who has collected the data, they must have gone home to home and written the data, okay, O, A, B, A, B. That is very raw data. That raw data we have combined in this form, and then we got to know this is the tabular form. Now this information is much easier to understand. I can clearly say that in that city population of 1000 people, 250 people have blood group of O, 400 people have blood group of A. So I can see that the minimum blood group present is B. So we need to conserve that blood type more, because in emergency we need to stock these blood parts. So all these things can be understood from this part. So tabular data or the diagrammatic data or the graphical data makes the data more easier to interpret or understand. That is the use of these three forms of data. So let us understand the data. How do we convert the data in different form using some questions. So first question says, the blood group of 30 students of class 8 are recorded as follows. Represent this data in the form of a frequency distribution table. Which is the most common, which is the rarest blood group among these students. So for that, I know there are total 30 students. Frequency distribution table means for each blood group, I will tell what is the frequency. That means how many students has how many students have O blood group, has A blood group, B blood group and AB blood group. So O, A, B, AB. This is my blood group. These are the different blood groups I have. I can write that with the help of telemarks, and then I will get frequency. Okay, so how do you write telemarks? So see, in telemarks, 1 I will write like this, 2 is written two sticks, 3 is written like 3 sticks, 4 is written like with 4 sticks, 5 is written like this, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now when you have to write 6 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 7 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 10 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got it? So for O category beta, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how do I write 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Frequency is 12. Then let's go for A blood group. So for A blood group, under A blood group, what do we have? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 people with A categories, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 9 have A blood group. Okay, then for B, let's check for B. How many has B? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 students. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 has the blood group AB, and rest for AB. For AB blood group, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. 3 is over here. So 9 plus 6 is 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 plus 12 is 30. So you can clearly see the sum here. If I find out the sum over here, total 30 students I have got. I have the data for 30 students. That means I have not made any mistake. So out of these 30 students, highest number of students who has got the blood group are under O blood group. Rarest, so most common blood group is this with the maximum number. So most common will be O blood group. Most rare, the minimum number is this. Most rare, so the most rare is AB. Got it? This is how you have formed this data in the frequency distribution table form. Frequency distribution table form. ठीक है बच्चों, let's go for the next question. The distance in kilometer of 40 engineers from their residence to their place of work were found as follows. Okay, so this is the table given over here. Construct a distribution table with class size 4 for the data given above. The first interval is 0 to 5, 5 not included. Which main feature do you observe from this? So we have to make, these are 40 engineers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so I think the data is given like this only. Okay, so this is the 40 tables here. 40 values here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 40 values written in this order. So here they have told this is their distance from their place of residence to their place of work. So if you look at this data, the minimum value in this data is 2. The minimum value in this data is 2. And the maximum value I can see 31. Is there any value more than 31? 32 is here. Any value more than 32, 32, 32? No. So maximum value is 32. So the data has the people, the people in this office are living from 2 kilometer to 32 kilometers. That is the range of this data. So now they are telling me to form a grouped table. What they are telling me? They are telling me to form the grouped table. So group is made from 0 to 5. The class interval is taken as 0 to 5. So I have the data up to 32. So first group I will take as 0 to 5. Those who live in the range of 0 to 5. Then 5 to 10. Then 10 to 15. Then 15 to 20. Then 20 to 25. Then 25 to 30. And then 30 to 35. Because when I cover up to 35, all the data will be covered, because I know the maximum value is 32. Now remember beta, whenever we make the groups, the first question which will come to your mind will be ki, sir, this 5 is present over here and here as well. So in which value, suppose if this person is living in this group, so in which group will I calculate him? Will I calculate him from 0 to 5 or 5 to 10? So always remember beta, whenever I make the groups like this, the upper limit, whenever this is continuous, so this is called a continuous data. Why it is called a continuous data? It is called a continuous data because wherever the first class is ending, it is ending at 5, the next is starting at 5. This class is ending at 10, next is starting at 10. Third class is ending at 15, next class is starting at 15. This is ending at 20, next is starting at 20. So this type of data is called continuous group data. Okay, you might not be able to see this part over here, so let me write it over here. Okay, so this type of data, where this type of data is called what? Continuous grouped data. Continuous group data. In this, it is written here also 0 to 5, 5 not included. Remember, this value is called lower class limit. Lower class limit. This group, all these groups are called class. They are all class. This is the lower class limit. This 35 will be called upper class limit. Okay, and if I ask you, these groups are called class intervals, class or class interval. Okay, and if I ask you the size of the class, what is the size of class? So size of class will be upper class limit minus lower class limit. So the size of the class, we have made it throughout equal. 5 minus 0 is 5, 10 minus 5 is 5, 15 minus 10 is 5. It is throughout the table, it is equal. Now remember, we do not include the upper class limit values in this part. When I am calculating 0 to 5, I will not include 5 in this group, I will include 5 in this group. Okay, 5 will not be included in this group, it will be included in the next group. 10 you will not include in this group, 10 will be included in the next group. 15 will not include here, 15 will be included here. 20 will be not including here, 20 will include here. 25 not here in the next group. 30 not here in the next row, like that. Got it? So upper class limit is not counted in this. So when I will say 0 to 5, 0 include 0, 1, 2, all the values between 0 to 5 including 0, but do not include 5. So 0 to 5 the values if I will take, remember I will not take 5. I will not take 5. So I will take this value 3. 0 to 5 I have to take, okay. 3, 2, 3 over here, 3 over here as well, 2, and like this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are five engineers are there which are working, who are living at a distance less than 5 kilometer from the place of working. So the frequency, that means how many engineers are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 engineers there whose place of residence is from 0 to 5 kilometer from the place of work. When I talk about 5 to 10, so in the case of 5 to 10, I will include 5 values more than 5 but less than 10. 10 I will not include over here. So 5, 10 I will not include in the second group. Okay, then 7, this 7, 9, 7, 8, 5 will be included, 9, 7, 6, 6. So how many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 people are there whose house is from 5 kilometer to the 10 kilometer range from the place of residence. So this is how we are going to count. Remember, upper class limit is not included, is not counted in that group. 5 will not be counted in the first group, it will be counted in the next group. So this is how, if we'll make the data 0 to 5 we have 5, 5 to 10 we have 11 people, 10 to 15 you will again get 11, 15 to 20 you will get 9 people, 20 to 25 1, 25 to 31, 30 to 35 2. Got it? This is how you can say. Now the question was what we can observe from this part. I can clearly say there are very few people who are living away, more away, like more than 30 kilometer away. Very few people are living, and most of the people, engineers are living from 5 kilometer to 20 kilometers range, and 11, 11, 9 maximum people are living near to the office. Got it? This is what we can interpret from that. ठीक है, next question देखो. Following data gives the number of children in 40 families. Represent the data in the form of frequent distribution. अब देखो, here you will see the minimum number of children they have 0, maximum number of children which I can see is 6. So we will make the data, since the data is C. Let me tell you, why do we make the grouped data and why do we make these ungrouped data? Here there is no grouping O, A, B, A, B, because the data was already very small. Here if I take the data individual, ki suppose the people are living from, what do I say, from 2 kilometers to 32 kilometers. So for each value, 2, how many are living at a distance of 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 4 kilometer, 5 kilometer. This way if I keep going up to 32, the data again will become too large. So to compress that data, I have made groups 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 20, 15, like that. Up here, you will see in this question, the number of children, how many? It is going from 0 to 6. Either the number of children is 0, maximum number is 6. So 0 to 6 is again a very small group only, right? So we can write the individual values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Got it? And then number of children in the family, okay, and number of families, how many families we has 0 children. So I can say the number of 0 children we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 families have no children. How many families have 1 children? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 families and 1 children. And if you want the tally marks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. So this is how I can represent this data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is written like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is written wrong, huh? 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, this is the typing mistake. Okay, like this. So this will be your group data. Now see, from this raw data, if you look at this raw data and now you look at this data, so you can clearly see, okay, maximum number of families have 2 children or less than that. Then you can focus ki, okay, there are 3 families or who has 6 children, so you need to educate them, okay, you need to take care of them. So this data can be used by government in this form. Got it? So that is why data in the tabular form gives information much clearly than the raw data form. Got it? Now next question is, number of the 3 coins were tossed 30 times simultaneously. Each time the number of head occurred was noted down as follows. So 0 means in the first time there were no head, 1 means there were 1 head, 2 heads, 2 heads, 1 head, like that. Prepare a frequency distribution table for the data given below. So I know there will be either no head, number of heads. We have tossed 3 coins. So no head or 1 head, 2 heads, or all the 3 coins showed heads. Then I will count how many times I have got 0. So 0 I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So frequency, how many times? 6 times I have got no heads. How many times I have got 1 head? So 1 head I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 times. How many times I have got 2 coins? Sorry, how many times I have got 2 heads? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times. And how many times I have got 3 heads? How many times I have got 3 heads? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. So let's check. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 times we have done the coin toss. So this is how you can draw the frequency distribution table. If you want tally marks, very easy. 6, how do you write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be your tally marks. So this is how you can prepare the frequency distribution table. Got it? Next part, देखो, 30 children were asked about the number of hours they watched TV programs in the previous week. Okay. So there are 30 children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 29, 30. Okay. So 30 children were asked about the number of hours they watched TV. Ab dekho, here also you can see the values are quite different. 1, 2, 3, up to 15 hours also it is going. So if I make a table 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour, 7 hour, up to 15 hour, it will become very big table. So make a grouped frequency distribution table for this data, taking class width as 5 and one of the class interval as 0 to 5, not 5 to 0, 0 to 5. So I can say that the class interval will be those who watch TV from 0 to 5 hours, those who watch from 5 to 10 hours, okay, 10 to 15 hours. I just saw 17 hours is also given. So you have to take one more class, 15 to 20 hours. Right? I have told you very clearly, we do not include the upper class limits. Upper class limits is not included. So in the first part, I will not include 5. I will include values less than 5 and 0. Between 0 to 5, less than 5, 0 will be included. So here 1, 2, 3, 5 we will not include in the first group. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 children are there. Okay, number of children. And this is number of hours TV watched. Number of hours of watching TV. 12 children watched TV between 0 to 5 hours. Okay, good. How many watched between 5 to 10 hours? Let us count that also. So we will include 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, but we will not include 10. Less than 10 we will take. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 I will not include over here, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 students watch the TV between 5 to 10 hours. Okay. How many watch between 10 to 15 hours? So I will include 10, 11, 12, 13, but 15 I will not include over here. So we have got 15 will not include in this group. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 children are there who watch the TV between 10 to 15 hours, and those who watch between 15 to 20 hours, how many students are there? So we can say कि sir, we have 15, 17, only these two, right? So you can clearly see 13 plus 12 will be equal to 13 plus 12 is equal to 15. 4 plus 2, somewhere I have made a mistake. 10, 13, 5 and 2. 10, 13. Have I counted it wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many values are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Actually, there are 31 values given over here. So, if there are 31 values, for these values, we will take this part. See, 12 plus 13 is 25 plus 4, 29 plus 2, 31. So, we are taking it for 31 children. According to the data, whatever is data, we are talking about this. So, this is how your group frequency distribution. How many children watch television for 15 or more hours a week? I will say 2 children watch the TV more than 15 or more than 15 hours a week for this data. Okay, I think there is a mistake in typing the data. Got it? For that reason. Okay, so this is how this question will be solved. So as I was telling you at the starting beta, this is the part, this is the ways we can form the data. Tabular form, in tabular form there are 2 things. One is grouped data, class interval. One is ungrouped data, where we do not make any groups. Okay. Now at the starting, if you remember, I was talking about the Vedantu Pro subscription, the link for which is given in the description box, as well as it is in the comment section, pinned comment in the comment section. Just go to that link, select your grade 9 CBSE 2021, click here on get subscription. After that, you will be taken to this page. In this page, either you can choose for 1 month, 3 months or 6 months, whatever you choose. Just apply the coupon code GPE Pro. As soon as you will apply this coupon code, you will get flat 20% off. Okay, you will get flat 20% off. Okay, I think these prices are written wrong. It is 2159 something. Okay, 20% off is given over here. This is, I think, the previous prices, but new price is something like this. Okay, this is way less, and this is around 91 something. Okay, 9194 something. Got it? So this part is given wrong. So 20% off will be provided to you. Apply the coupon code GPE Pro and you will get the discount. Also, the important thing is this price is not inclusive. This price is not only for maths. This is for maths, physics, chemistry, biology, SST and English. Also, the price for 1 month, if you take the course for 1 month, is 2159. But if you take it for 6 months, the price will be around 1500 per month. So the more number of months you will take the course for, the prices will be less. Got it, beta? So the link is in the description box as well as in the pinned comment. The coupon code is GPE Pro. Got it, beta? So this is all from my side. Thank you so much for coming to the session. Please don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel. I hope all of you understood this part very clearly. A very easy topic. Got it? So thank you so much, bachon. I'll see you soon in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Sayonara, Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.